Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your credit card on Uber in 2025. Whether your card's expired, you've switched banks, or you're just updating for security, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you've got the latest Uber app installed on your phone. Tech updates happen fast, especially by 2025, so this keeps everything smooth. Open the app and log in to your account. If you're not logged in, just enter your email, phone number, and password. Next, tap on the menu icon. That's usually the three horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner. Once you're there, scroll down and select Settings or Account. Now, look for Wallet or Payment Methods in the Settings menu. This is where your financial info is managed. In the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of your saved cards. Tap on the one you want to change, or hit Add Payment Method if you're starting fresh. If you're editing, enter the new card details like the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Uber might prompt you for verification, like a quick code to your phone, for added security, always a good thing. After you've entered everything correctly, hit Save or Confirm. To double-check, try requesting a ride or viewing your upcoming trips to ensure the new card is active. And that's it, you've just updated your credit card on Uber. Remember, processes can vary slightly based on your location or app version, so if you hit any snags, check Uber's Help Center. This simple tweak keeps your rides seamless and your finances secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.